And welcome back to an episode of my poor life decisions.
Let's go.
So around a year ago, I decided that I would get the cheapest phone I found on Amazon. And this was it. This was the ZTE Majesty Pro? Something like that. It was $25 at the time. So now, forget that. This was $20. So let's open this box real quick and we'll find out what's inside. And here is the one that was $20 off Amazon, the ZTE Blade T2. And for comparison, this is the old one, the ZTE Majesty Pro, which was... I'll have to go get it again. This guy, so yeah. Android 6 out of the box. Do I recommend it today? No, it's not going to be supported anymore, so which is why I got this one. And just to be clear, when I got this, I'm already over budget for this video production anyway, so yeah, that's speaking a lot about my poor life decisions right now. And once you open this flap, you see the phone. And knowing how this unboxing went, you're only going to get the phone. Yeah, so this time it comes with Android Oreo, which is a nice upgrade, and seems like the same specs. Wait, guys. Battery and a charger. So not only did I pay less for this phone, but this thing also includes more. So yay, first of all. And second of all, it comes with the correct packaging, as you can see, because last time it came with a different logo, as you can see. Let's just get this thing open right now. Yeah, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
And this is what you get in the box. So you got these manuals that no one's really going to read, so I want to just skip that. And in this plastic part, you get the phone. The phone without a cover. Okay, cool. So you get the phone, you get the battery separate, you get the backplate separate, you get more paperwork, and here's the goodie stuff. You actually get a charger with this phone. Yeah, let's see. There you go. Okay. All right. So installing the battery. It's gonna be a lot easier for me to do with two hands, but let me just. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do this with one hand. Okay, this part I should be able to do with one hand. Right? Okay, cool. Yeah, that part you can do with one hand. And after installing the battery and the backplate, this is the phone. As you can see, it looks like a normal phone. It actually has a nice heft to it, and actually feels pretty nice for the plastic construction. But, yeah, no real complaints. This feels actually like a phone compared to the other one, so I'm happy about that. Okay, you guys ready? I may have ruined it there. Sorry. Alright, let's turn this puppy on. Ooh, it has an LED notificator light. I like that. And so far it looks like the same loading screen as the Majesty Pro. And we just heard everyone's favorite little jingle. It was a lot less annoying because this one was actually a little bit quieter this time. Last time I unboxed this, it was so loud. Anyway, let me get this set up real quick and I'll get back to you. And here's the phone all set up. So as you can see, there's not much bloatware on here, and relatively speaking for what it is, it's still a relatively smooth phone. So I tried up looking Geekbench and it's not really here. So that is saying something. I don't know, I'm kind of curious to find out what the Antutu score is. Alright, so while everything's updating, so in the back you have a 5 megapixel camera, in the front you have a 2 megapixel camera. Right here you have a headphone jack, which is either a rarity or a luxury in certain cases, I don't know anymore. And you have a micro B connector, which I wanted USB-C, but for 20 bucks I can't really complain. So, alright guys, so I'm going to have to take something back. So after I got the phone up and running, bloatware is starting to pop up now. So I got here Candy Crush Soda. I'm not really a Candy Crush kind of guy, so let's just go ahead and uninstall that. They really decided to put apps after I started the phone, so I don't know. It's And look, another one, Wish. I don't use the Wish app. Like, no, I use the website. Bye. And finally, I actually got something I wanted, which is Antutu Go, so we're going to be using that real quick. And phone information, there you go. I wanted this also. And here is the Antutu benchmark. So, to put it into perspective, my phone can do a 6-figure score of 300,000 something. So basically this means nothing. But again, performance is not the point of this phone. This is basically a very bottom tier entry level phone. this is not going to replace my Note 9, obviously, but this is definitely going to be a tool for me. A tool where I can actually just tap around with Android more than I could with my phone. Because let's face it, I do not want to brick my $1,000 phone. So overall, this thing is actually not bad, especially compared to the $25 one I had from last year. What you can do in a year is almost astonishing to me. Like, seriously, like, you can automatically tell the quality difference already. Like, it is actually really impressive what you can do in a year, and this phone here gets a thumbs up. So, should you buy the ZTE Blade T2? It honestly depends. If you want a cheap phone, go ahead and get it, but if you're looking for that awesome power, look elsewhere, please. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye. Peace out. Yeah.